So what is actually diabetes? What causes diabetes? It's a deficiency of insulin that causes diabetes. There's diabetes insipidus, diabetes mellitus, type 1 diabetes mellitus, type 2 diabetes mellitus. And you all know what is the exact treatment for type 1 diabetes is mainly insulin. Type 2 diabetes, we have many anti-diabetic drugs or hypoglycemic drugs, metformin, dimethylamide, glucose, etc. Many drugs are there. And now we have these two insulin pumps. So diabetes, like you see, the most common morbidity and mortality you take it off, you can come across it is a diabetes mellitus. So diabetes insipidus, it's due to diabetes. And most commonly, if you take the mortality, you see the work, research works or the publications, what we have done is around 50 to 60 years, the people who die in 50 to 60 years is most commonly they are diabetes. Other than the cancer, the malignancy. In one side, malignancy is there. In one side, there is due to accidents. But you see, 50 to 60 years or above 50 years, when you see the majority of the deaths, they'll be having diabetes. So once diabetes comes, it is very difficult to have, don't take in negative sense, but there are many diabetes in people. But when diabetes is there, a small injury itself, it takes time to heal. So any surgical procedures, anything, any related diseases, if they have diabetes, it is very complicated. So the problems being more and more because in our school days and when we go across the publications, the research works or the prevalence, when you see before 1990s, it was like 1 in 10 or 1 in 20, like 1% diabetic in 20 people. But nowadays, what it has come across down in 1 in 4. Last recent prevalence was 1 in 4, 1 in 4.5. So out of 4, 1 is diabetic. So it is becoming very rampant, you can say. The diabetes is becoming very rampant. It's a sheer fact. The treatment is very difficult in the sense that it is to control diabetes is a very difficult thing. It's not only medications, it is a diet, it is also a routine thing, the sleep, everything comes into the existence in regarding the control of diabetes. So the important discovery what happened in diabetes. What is a diabetes due to the deficiency of insulin? Insulin secreted by beta cells of pancreas. So it is a cells of pancreas, beta cells of pancreas secreting insulin, which is our main first line treatment of main treatment of diabetes. So the insulin discovery was in the year 1921. It's more than 100 years. July 27, 1921 is the day which insulin was discovered. From the extract from the dog's pancreas, the extract was taken. By whom? It was by Frederick Banting and Charles Best. These are the two Canadian scientists who was behind, who have the credibility or credential for the discovery of insulin in the year 1921. It's not the first time they had Frederick Banting and Charles Best. Age-wise, they're like Charles Best is very young. Charles Best was studying in the University of Toronto under John McLeod. It's a big story. Okay, so first time they didn't get using the dog extract, they didn't get any result. But they tried again. They purified it and again they tried. They got a result. And after 2 weeks, they tried in humans and it was working. So that is the thing how it was discovered. But now after this 100 years, now we have insulin infusion pumps. We also have artificial pancreas. Artificial pancreas in the sense it can be sensed when the insulin level, the diabetic, the sugar levels fall or rise. Automatically it can be, but it is very costly. It costs around 5.96 lakhs and more it costs. And daily and every month is around 15,000 or something at expense. So that is very difficult part of it. Then we have Medtronics, MEDTRONICS, Medtronics. It is almost considered to be artificial pancreas. Updated versions of artificial pancreas is nothing but Medtronics. Example, you can Medtronics. Insulin infusion pump updated version is the artificial pancreas. So we have reached in this status, but still there is a lot of improper management. The subject with diabetes, they don't know where to go, how to start, and they think that okay, this can be. And there are many causes. Yeah, genetic causes are there, and we ourselves we have a very sedentary lifestyle sometimes because of that. The diet is not proper, sleep is not proper. So even the person who I'm telling myself, it's for myself also. So we have to be more concerned with our diet, sleep, all those things. So as a part of work has to be done. So there are many contributing factors in this. But after knowing the diabetes, how to control it, and you know the medications, the proper medication, if it is not controlled, it has to take HbA1c has to be taken. Not only FBS or PPBS at all. HbA1c is glycosylated hemoglobin. HbA1c is very important regarding our control of or treatment mode of diabetes. So that is not being properly monitored by our society. What we see daily is that FPS, PPBS. This is the only thing they look after, and that can depend on our the diet what we have taken, the food we have taken the previous night. So diabetes is a serious. It's becoming day by day. It is becoming more rampant and rampant, and it's like to control itself or treat it's a very difficult task. Medical side, diabetes is the one leading thing. Yeah, obviously, we have many disorders, thyroid related disorders in surgical aspect. The common thing what is come across now, hypertension is there, but diabetes is like the combination of diabetes, nephropathy, retinopathy. It's like it's very difficult in a sense. So people what insulin before the discovery of insulin, what happened? The type 1 diabetes, there's no treatment. The people are dying and dying. So then it was a very huge discovery or a discovery of the millennium. You can say what happened when insulin came. So I had a real just thought to say about something about diabetes when I come across. I just recorded and I thought to say something about diabetes. So how to control in a sense? It's not only the diet, it's the lifestyle of a person. Again, it's also many things contributes like mental stress also contributes to diabetes. You cannot say that only diet is a problem. A diet, there are carbohydrates, proteins, and everything we need in a diet. The thing is that what happens, we completely avoid this. We cannot completely avoid a particular thing. A person sometimes he avoids the sugar in the tea and the juice, and he has something more sweets every day. That doesn't matter. What is the purpose of that? So that everything, if you have to reduce the quantity, but the quality of our food should be good. It's same in the case of our dyslipidemia or hypertension. So diabetes is not like sugar completely. Better to avoid sugar, but also in the sense you have to reduce the number of carbohydrates in the diet. And treatment mode medications is the one you cannot directly start and jump into insulin. But if it is uncontrolled, like if you have 5 to 10 years means it's uncontrolled, you have to have an insulin. It's better to have an insulin. The cost is very less compared to our tablets. You think that we have to inject every time, each and every time. So it's not the case like that. It is not a big thing, but once after few years you'll be okay with insulin. So if it is uncontrolled diabetes, better to go with insulin. Because diabetes is the most common endocrine disorder coming across, and that's most of the morbidity and mortality related to the diabetes. Accidents are not in our case, and hence malignancy again is the main thing which is coming across. See, renal affected or anything else, anything is affected. Any complication, nephropathy, retinopathy, majority because of diabetes can be too complicated. Neuropathy, person feels pain, intermittent claudication, pain and all. They feel numbness in the lower limbs. They think something else and all. It can be due to diabetes. Person cannot see properly. So many things are there. Many things are coming across diabetes due to diabetes only. Okay. So the HbA1c mainly it has to be controlled. Every 3 months you can have it, or every 3 to 6 months you check. You can come across the last previous 3 months. What was the average of the blood sugar level? The blood sugar level normally everyone sees for FBS 70 to 110, 70 to 110 is normal. RBS 80 to 120 is normal. So not only FBS and PPBS or RBS, it is actually you have to come across what HbA1c. Okay. So diabetes, everyone takes it sometimes lightly. Now everyone is having the 1 in 4. Because most of them will be having 1 in 4 means most of the houses will be having one diabetic patient. So it is difficult to control, avoid everything. It's not like avoiding everything. It has to be, the quantity has to be less, the quality has to be increased in diet, exercise or food, whatever possible a person can do. In that way, it can be moderated. Not like every person can run and jump, can run 1 kilometer or can avoid this type of food. It's not, it depends on the individual ultimately. That's the misconception what everyone in our native place or locality have. They have a misconception of having that they feel that you have to avoid completely a particular food. They won't test the food. What happens ultimately? They lose their weight. They have many other problems, stress-related problems, sleep disturbances, then many problems. So it is like have a healthy lifestyle. That is the main thing we can. And genetically, if you have that, we cannot do. Mother or father have. There are more possibility, probable chances of having the children having the diabetes. So many factors, and there's a long topic. You cannot just tell. So I just thought I'll just share some of the facts of diabetes and insulin. And we have insulin infusion from my side called artificial pancreas. We have reached a stage we have artificial pancreas, means updated a new version of insulin infusion pump.